Welcome to the tutorial for the Content Management System. Let's begin by logging on to the administration part of your site. Type in your username and password to sign in. You will see three control panels: Category, Product, and Order Management. Let's select Category Management. You are now on the Category Management page, where you can manage the categories that are listed on your website. Let's hit Preview to see what the front end of your site looks like and where the categories are placed. Here we can find 3 pages listing drinks, sandwiches, and desserts. Let's create a completely new category to add to our menu. By hitting Add New, we are taken to a page where we will fill out the information for our new category. Let's start with giving our category a name. Then selecting the icon image that will represent this category and the main image that will be shown on the front end of the website. Next, we will add the title, which will let our visitors know exactly what kind of refreshment they are being offered. Then we will add a subtitle, which will offer a brief description of our page. We will then create a name for the link button, which will serve as a way for visitors to open up the page to get more product listings. After that is done, we will now add a longer description to highlight some of the features of the product listed on your site. After you click Next, you will find yourself at the SEO page, where you can fill out necessary fields such as title, keywords, and a description. This information will allow search engines like Google and Bing to find your page and give it a listing on the internet. Click Save and you will return to the page listing all the categories. Let's take a brief look at how easy it is to change category images, edit text, and finally to completely delete a category if you do not need it anymore. You can do this by hitting Delete, selecting the category, and then hitting Delete again. Let's return to the Administration Content Management section. This concludes our Category Management tutorial. Product Management. Let's explore the Product Management page, where you can control the kind of products you would like listed in your categories. This will take you back to the listing of our categories. By clicking on Preview, we can see how they are represented on the front end of the website. Let's take a look at how we can manage the products on each page by working with the Drinks category. When we click on Drinks, we can see a list of all the products as well as their price, description, and an active button to indicate whether something is available to people visiting the site. By hitting Add, we will be on the page where we can enter the information about our product. First, let's give our product a name. Then hit Browse to select an image which will show our product in the front end of the website. After that, we need to write a short description of our product. We can also include a description of the ingredients used, and of course we will need to include the price of our product. Then hit Next. The next page is the SEO page, where you can fill out necessary fields such as title, keywords, and a description. This information will allow search engines like Google and Bing to find your page and give it a listing on the internet. Hit Save, and now your product will be featured on the front end of the website where your visitors can view it. Let's take a brief look at how easy it is to change product images, and finally to completely delete a product if you do not need it anymore. You can do this by hitting Delete, then selecting the product and hitting Delete again. Now let's take a look at how the checkout process would work on your site. A visitor would select a product in quantity and then hit the Buy tab. A notification would then appear in the shopping cart that a product was added and they can proceed to checkout. Once they select Checkout, they are taken to the page where they can add or subtract the amount of that item and also add a coupon code, which will discount the price of their product. The next page offers several different options of how a visitor can check out. If they are existing members, then they can enter their account login and the payment information will automatically be entered for checkout. If they would like to become a member, they can register by providing the required information. On the other hand, If they would like to check out without becoming a member and storing their payment information, that option is available as well. They can simply enter their email address and hit Next. Here, they will be asked to enter their billing address and, if necessary, their shipping address. If shipping is the same as the billing address, then they can even select a marker and won't have to fill out the same fields twice. Lastly, they will need to provide their credit card information. After hitting Proceed, the checkout is completed, and if all information is valid, an invoice is automatically generated. Now let's hit the Admin panel, which will take us back to the Administration Content Management section. This concludes the product management tutorial. Order Management System. Let's take a quick look at how the order management system works. We can immediately see that there are 5 orders pending without even accessing the panel. This is beneficial for when you need to quickly check order statuses. When we enter the panel, we can see all the orders that are pending and all those that are processed. Orders are listed with the order number, date and time they were purchased, the name of the person who made the purchase, and price. This concludes the Order Management System tutorial.